Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Today is a National Fire Safety Day and Fire Safety Week from 14th April to 20th April. Now, Goa Can has written to the Director Fire and Emergency Services, Mr. Nitin Raikar, requesting him to take a look at what is happening in Goa. Every day fires are taking place. Cars are getting burned, buses are getting burned, shops are getting burned, cashew plantations are getting burned, factories are getting burned. So there needs to be a prevention and protection plan. For this, we have to involve the community. So we have proposed in our letter to Mr. Raikar that two coordination committees chaired by respective collectors for North Goa and South Goa should be formed. And under this, an action plan for 22-23 should be drawn up, wherein we will start giving information about what is to be done for the fire. If it is short circuit, what is to be done, etc. In that letter, we have also given two clear examples. One example we have given of Sakwal Industrial Estate, where the situation outside and inside the industry is so bad, grass is growing, garbage is everywhere. If a fire is there, the entire industrial estate factories will be affected. Second example we have given of Panjim, where we can see at Pato, Panjim, where behind is the tourism department, in front there is a Park Prime Hotel, there is an apartment complex, and in the middle there is a scrapyard. Now, what we are saying, all three have to be taken into confidence and we have to work out a solution for fire safety. We cannot just leave it, we cannot know when the accident will take place. So I have spoken to Mr. Nitin Raikar, Director of Fire Services, and I have spoken to the Commissioner, Mr. Agnel. Both have assured me that they will take a joint meeting of all the three owners, because the person who is having the scrap was there for many years. After that, the hotel, after that, the building apartment has come. Now, this will be happening in many parts of Goa. But Panjim being a smart city, we have to find solutions. And fire safety is a very important to have solutions because it can save lives. Today, people are not necessarily dying of fire. People are dying of smoke. And that is why it is in this context that we have given a call that National Fire Safety Week should become something practical, where the citizens, where the associations like TTAG, GCCI, all the social clubs, consumer forums, everybody can get involved. Because the safety of Goa is very important, because we are projecting it as an international tourist destination. In an international tourist destination where we are getting 80 lakh tourists, we cannot have a situation like this. And therefore, our humble appeal is that consumers all over Goa should take interest and approach their concerned authorities, whether Panchayat or municipality, and highlight the issue of fire safety.